go take a look at this front one again. I mean, there ain't that much rain. It's just a sprinkle. And as you can see, I'm not really even wet, but I see how it's dripping here. So there you go, just a sprinkle. What happens is rain hits that, comes down here. And that's a filter there, catches all the bullshit. And there's another filter before in that, filters it. And then I have another filter system that it goes through before it comes out of the hose. I treat it all with chemicals and it's in the ground, all insulated so it doesn't freeze. Just as that one is, and the one that I'm getting ready to have put in the ground in the back that catches all the water off the rest of the roof.